Dear students, before starting the lessons, let us go through the syllabus of first year physics. So in first chapter, we'll be learning the ABC of physics. What is physics? How physics is useful in daily life? What is the technology? What is the role of the technology in everyone's life? So that is what we are going to learn in first chapter called Physical World. So here there is a person using weighing machine. He is finding the mass of a liquid, and the machine indicates the reading. So how to measure a physical quantity and what is the units? So all about the units and the measurement, that's what we're going to learn in chapter number 2. You all know the fastest man on the earth, Usain Bolt of Jamaica, and this is a 100-meter race in which they run along a straight line, and we even calculate the time taken by him, and that is the basis on which we decide that he is the fastest man on the earth. That means we can measure the speed with which he is running, and all that we are going to learn in a chapter where we are going to deal with motion of a body along a straight line. The next event, you get to see an athlete throwing a javelin, but this javelin doesn't move in a straight line. It moves in a plane, and all such motion of a body in a plane is in a chapter number 4, where we're going to learn about a motion called projectile motion and uniform circular motion, because these are the two types of motion which are example for motion in a plane. So see this demonstration where there is a book and there is a glass of water, and without disturbing, the lady is able to pull the cloth, and this is called inertia of rest. Yes, you guessed it right. It's all about the Newton's laws of motion in detail in a chapter number 5. When we provide electric energy to a bulb, it's converted into the light energy. So transformation of one form of energy to another energy, and the various forms of energy we are going to learn in a chapter, work, power and energy. And in this chapter we are going to even learn the collision between the two particles. So there is a fan. In this fan there are two axes in which the fan rotates. So just think which are the two axes in which this fan rotates. One, the horizontal axis in which the blade rotates, and the vertical axis in which the entire fan rotates. And all such rotational motion in a chapter called System of Particles and Rotational Dynamics. So this is a rocket which carries the satellite and places in an orbit in which it revolves around the earth. And to know all these, one should have a clear idea regarding the gravitation, the gravitational force, the gravitational field, and all that we are going to learn in detail in a chapter called gravitation. So in this you get to see a bridge falling on some of the vehicles which are moving. So to construct a bridge, first we should know the property of the material that we have to use in constructing a strong bridge. Otherwise, this will be the result. So all the properties of the solids we're going to learn in a chapter 9, mechanical properties of the solids. When we mix two liquids, they don't get mix each other. Not only that, one of the liquid is get settled at the top of the layer. So what makes this layer to remain on the surface of another liquid? And for that, you should know the mechanical properties of fluids, which is chapter number 10. Now, this is a common scene which you get to see nowadays whenever we go out to the supermarket or any of the shopping malls. And that is a infrared thermal scanner which measures our body temperature. And all about the thermal properties of the matter we are going to learn in detail in chapter number 11. Conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy is called as thermodynamics, and that is how this heat engine works. So all conversion of heat into mechanical energy. So this is all about the chapter thermodynamics. So when we take a gas in a container, even though the gas molecules are not visible to us, but we are able to find its properties, the way they move. So this is called as the random motion of the particles of the gases. And more properties about this we are going to learn in a chapter called kinetic theory of gases. So we have a clock here in which pendulum oscillates to and from motion. And if you consider the piston of a gas, so that moves up and down, and any such to and from motion is called as the oscillatory motions. And many such oscillations we are going to learn in a chapter titled Oscillations. So based on this image, you must have guessed it now. What is the title of the chapter? Yes, you guessed it right. That's last chapter, chapter number 15. The waves, the different types of the waves and the properties of the waves we are going to learn. And this chapter is again very important for the board exam as well as the competitive exams. So in the next session, students, I'm going to start with the first chapter, which is physical world. Thank you.